Hi there, we're going to look at some multiplication for year 5 and 6 today. We're going to look at something called the compact method, and initially we're going to begin with the concrete apparatus. It's not going to look that different from year 3 and 4 to begin with, especially when we've got the concrete apparatus with us. So we're going to look at 64 multiplied by 3 to start with. And as you can see, I've already partitioned my 60 and my 4, which is where the 64 came from, and then I'm going to multiply by 3 using my grid here. So here I'm going to start with the ones. I'm going to start with 3 multiplied by 4. So I'm going to have 3 rows of 4. 1 row, 2 rows, there we go, 3 rows of 4. Then I'm going to do 3 lots of 60. So as in previous videos, my pasture is going to be worth 10. They're going to represent my 10s. So I need 3 lots of 60. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 1 lot of 60. And I need another lot of 60. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then I need my third lot of 60. So that's 10, 20, 30. 40, 50, 60. So that's 3 lots of 60, 3 times 60. So now I'm going to do some adding up, and I may well need to do some exchanging to make it a little bit easier when I add up. So I'm going to start with my ones, and if I have more than 10 ones, I can exchange it for a 10. So I can see I've got 4, 8, 12. So I'm just going to exchange 10 ones for 110, just to make it a bit easier when I count up with the concrete apparatus. Here I can see I've got more than 10 10s, so I can exchange for 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we're going to exchange that for 100. Now it's going to start to be a little bit easier when I add up, okay? And I can add up just like this. But 10 and my 2, which makes 12. And I'm going to add that to what's in my other box here. So I've got 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 180. Okay. I'm going to add those two numbers together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 10 plus 80 is 90. And 100 plus nothing is 100, 192. So 64 multiplied by 3 is 192.